Hey guys, what's up? So today I decided to do a get ready with me slash vlog video for my 19th birthday. I haven't recorded a video in a long time. Yeah, a long time. But I decided to do a video on my 19th birthday. Why not? I have nothing planned. Literally just a dinner, that's it. We'll just see what happens. But I wanted to take you guys with me, and I did part of my makeup in the video. I stopped halfway because it was just going to be too much. So if you guys want to see a video on how I do like my everyday makeup, go ahead and comment or like the video. So I hope you guys like the video. Give this video a like and subscribe to join the... I don't have a name yet, but subscribe if you want to keep on watching my videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so I just finished taking a shower, got ready. I'll show you guys my outfit in a bit. It's basically all black, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my skincare and then do my makeup and then take you guys around with me because why not? But yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna use my Dior remover dirty cleanse thing after you're done with your skincare, whatever, I don't know. So then I'm going to use my moisturizer from Avena, I don't know, I forgot already. Then I'm going to use my Murray Purdesky spray, if I'm pronouncing it right, you know, I can't pronounce. Alright guys, so my eyebrows turned out dark and I feel like they're uneven. I think it's just me. I feel like everyone has that problem, you know, but it's okay. There's no time to finish or there's no time to redo them because, you know, we got a lot of things to do today. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup and yeah. Alright, so I'm going to use this Makeup Forever mattifying primer thing because my skin gets really oily throughout the day. So yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my face and you know, yeah. Hey. Alright guys, I'm gonna be using my Born This Way concealer on my eyelids so I can prime my eyes for the eyeshadow. I'm also gonna be this Aspirin ice. Whoa, okay. Alright. This powder on my eyes so I can just, you know, translucent. Also forgot to mention that I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, my all-time favorite, and I'm going to be using that brown color. I forgot. I don't have the palette with me, so I can't really tell you what the name is, but you know, I'm doing, you know, circular motions, you know. Look at me being a beauty guru. Anyway, yeah, you're just going to keep on with the other darker color into the transition shade, just keep packing it on, and then I use this red tone in the inner corner and just like blend it in to get this like natural kind of red orange tone. And then I got this flat brush and mixed these two colors, the white and the light brown, for the inner corner of my eyelid so it can just look like that faded kind of effect. So then after that, I'm using the Born This Way foundation in almond color, and I'm just going to put that all over my face and just, you know, look at me go. And then just blend it all over, and yeah. Okay, a quick little, I don't know. Okay, anyway, I wanted to say that I won't finish the rest of my makeup on camera just because it's going to be super long. But if you guys want a makeup tutorial or something how to get this look later on, just comment down below or give this video a like. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just didn't like my everyday makeup because I just knew it was going to take more time than I usually do. I did some lashes. I messed up on my lashes. One is up and one is like straight down. It's like my makeup, I do this every day or whenever I do my makeup because, you know. So these are the lashes I use just in case you guys were wondering. It's by the Kiss 01. So these are my favorite lashes so far. It comes with a little thingy, but I don't. I use what is that? I use mine. So yeah, this is the final look, so I'll take you guys with me on the rest of the day what I'm gonna do because I have nothing else to do and I don't know what to do. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this simple black top from Loft. Yeah, this jacket is also from Loft. It's just an army green cute little jacket, and then my pants are from Charlotte Russe that have holes, and then my heels are from Target because Target is, you know, that's where it's at. So yeah, this is my outfit for my 19th birthday. I'm just gonna do my hair. Probably not gonna do anything to it, honestly, but yeah, this is what I'm recording my videos through my phone. Also, don't mind that picture over there. It's just my nephew and niece. Funny story. It was up there, but then it fell and I was doing makeup and then I just put it there because, you know, why not look at it when I'm doing my makeup on the floor? The lighting is really bad, right, Melody? But we're on our way right now. I decided to wear Converse, not heels, because it's cold outside. But, yeah.
Can't get a hold of my obsession.
Alright, so we just got our coffee because, you know, we're waiting for cheesecake because it's forever. It's gonna be like an hour, hour and a half or something. But yeah, just waiting. So we're waiting, but it's taking forever. More time than it is. This is Abby, Caleb, my mom, my dad. So we're here finally at the restaurant, finally. But we're looking what we want to get. Hopefully it's not too loud. But everyone's here. Oop, that's my finger. Everyone. And I'm super hungry. It's been like all day. So
Never give up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up.
alright guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video I did for you guys. Oh, it's super bright. I put my glasses on because I needed it because I was blind, but you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what, oh my gosh, this is very disturbing. Oh my, okay. Let me know what videos you get. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to do for my next video, because I'm planning to do a lot more videos in the future. I just don't know what to like film. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.